When we are talking about traffic from Facebook, we need to know first, what is our goal? Do you know what is your goal? Do you want a lot of Facebook followers? Do you want to build an email list? Do you want to promote affiliate offers? Do you have products of your own? Do you have webinars, events to promote? Suppose your goal is to promote affiliate offers, right? And you got the exact way to bring traffic and finally start making money online. Things are simple when you know what to do. I succeed to get for you a special model from my good friend Reid Florent from his $997 coaching program with huge discounts. Let's check, for example, offers ads on the right side compared to the newsfeed ads. Newsfeed ads will more engagement but tend to cost a lot more. Right column ads are cheaper but can be ignored easier, so you should start with right column ads just to test it. And if the campaign has potential, then do newsfeed ads as well. When you grab the model, you will also know which countries you should focus if you want to sell, and much more criteria which converts, and conversion mean more money in your pocket. Before we will take a look and see how good your ads convert from yesterday, you will find out why unsuccessful marketers tend to focus on penny clicks or free traffic. Most internet marketers buy this model because Reid's information supply a new way of thinking which works. Without Reid Florent model, you will definitely can't proceed the right way because it's a little bit tricky. A week from today, Reid's new way of thinking will look to you natural, and this is the right way to make money online. So what will you get in this model? You will learn how to get clicks for pennies, and at the same time learn why unsuccessful marketers tend to focus on penny clicks or free traffic. How to create an ad that sells. How to promote affiliate offers. How to send to squeeze page. What is lookalike audience? Which are the best countries to focus on? The gender. Best age range. Why should target people who like other specific internet marketers or products you use? But this is only the beginning. Reid has a secret Facebook group only for customers, and you will get bonus 15-minute phone call to help you with questions. So all you need is to take action now. Press the link below this video and see how fun is it to make money online.